Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Today is the 2nd of June 2024 and here in London the weather is excellent. Look how bright blue the sky looks. It looks so beautiful and is the perfect day to do some gardening. In today's video we will show you how to prune your bottle gourd plants correctly, so this season you get plenty of bottle gourds on your plant. We also have a few things to harvest, so perhaps my dad could show you how to prune your plants and I'll do my favorite part, which is the harvesting. By the way guys, we are traveling to Bangladesh in 2 weeks time, which is really crazy because it's going to be during the monsoon season, which is extremely hot and there's high chance of floods. And it's a new experience for me. So during our stay in Bangladesh, we intend to make lots of vlogs so we can share our experience with you. So look out for those vlogs because they're going to be very interesting.
I've transplanted this bottle gourd plant in this large container here about 3 weeks ago. And mashallah, looking at the plant, I can see this plant has trailed onto the trellis and is starting to produce side vines. Knowing how to prune your plant correctly would be the difference between getting plenty of bottle gourd or less bottle gourd from your plant. So in this video, I want to show you how to prune your plant so that you get plenty of bottle gourd from your bottle gourd plants. Alright, so this is the main stem climbing up vertically onto the trellis. So if you're growing bottle gourd vertically onto a trellis, you want to take off all side stems below 8 leaves. So I have 1 leaf, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to take this side stem off. I'm going to cut this side stem off. And these side stems, just pinch them off. Any dead leaves at the bottom, take them off. Okay. So these leaves are good. When they look yellowish, chop them off. So that's a nice, this is another side stem here. I'm taking them off. So this side stem here is below 8 leaves. So I'm going to cut this side stem off. Now I'm not going to throw this away. I'm going to make a nice saag with this. You can cook them with garlic and they taste beautiful. Amazing. Okay, so I have removed the side stem which was below the 8 leaves, and I have more side stem which is climbing onto the trellis. I'm going to leave them on. Now going back onto the main stem. So that's the main stem going up. I'm going to pinch off the growth stem so the main stem doesn't grow any longer. So this is where you want to cut it off, just above a large leaf. Okay, now this stem is not going to grow any longer. Now that I have removed the growth stem on the main vine of this plant, the plant will concentrate producing lots of side vines. And in about 2 or 3 weeks time, this plant will take over the trellis. It will produce lots of side vines. And you don't want to be keeping too many side vines. You want to keep necessary vines. Otherwise, those vines will take up unnecessary energy from the plant. Now let me explain why. So there are vines that will produce male flowers only. There are vines that will produce male and female flowers. And there are vines that will produce female flowers only. The female flowers only vine you'll keep. Female and male flowers vine you'll keep. And the vines that produces male flowers only, you want to keep fewer of them. So let's just say you've got about 4 vines that are producing male flowers only. Remove 2 of them, keep 2 of them on. And the plant will save energy and you will concentrate producing fruits.
You know what this basket means. It's time to start harvesting. This is my favorite basket to start harvesting with. But before we do that, let's give you an update on our plants. This ash gourd plant over here is looking very nice. It has reached the top of the trellis and I can see is starting to produce female flowers. It's starting to fruit. We just need a male flower to pollinate this female flower with, otherwise this female flower is not going to survive. This plant produces big fruits and I can't wait to start harvesting. The bottle gourd plant over here, I can see is producing as well. It has male and female flowers on this plant, which is a good sign. Maybe, just maybe, we'll be able to harvest one huddle before we go to Bangladesh, and I am really excited for that. I can't wait. The aubergine plants over here, they're all starting to produce flowers. Look at this. They're producing flowers. So soon we'll be harvesting nice aubergines from these plants. I'm really proud with our chili plants. They're all doing amazing. I can see they're starting to produce chilies. I am really pleased about that. I can't wait to harvest spicy chilies from these plants. It's going to be great. They're doing amazing. The tomato plants are doing very good. I can see they're starting to produce tomatoes and I hope we get lots of them. The plant looks amazing, nice and healthy. The leaves look nice and green. I'm really pleased about our cucumber plants. The cucumber plants are starting to produce lots of cucumbers. Beautiful looking cucumbers. That looks amazing. I'm going to harvest this one over here. I can tell this cucumber is going to be nice and juicy. It looks really nice. I think I'm going to leave this cucumber on the plant for a little longer for it to get a little bit more bigger. But I've got one more I'm going to harvest over here. That's a nice looking one. Is there any more to harvest? Let me check. Yeah, we got lots of them. They're just still pretty small, so I'm going to wait a few more days before I start harvesting these. Oh, there's a nice one over here. And I think these are beetroot plants, and looking at them, they look like they're ready to harvest. You can see the beetroot over here. I'm going to harvest one of these and see how they came out. But look at these beetroots. I think I might harvest one more. There's one more over here I could harvest. Let me look for the big one. Yeah, this one looks big. Those, don't they look pretty? They're going to taste amazing in my salad. Now that you know how to prune your bottle gourd plants properly, I hope you have a great season and get lots of bottle gourds on your plant. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please like the video. And please don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family. As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. Stay safe, assalamu alaikum, and until then I'll see you in the next one.